Stack. This is the program for our implementation of stacks using graphical user interface with the help of Tkinter module. Here in the main function of the program are the buttons or the menus the user can choose from. The command when the user chooses a button is called from the class commands. This is a button to add notebook. This button is to check notebook. This button is to pick at notebook. And this button is to check all in the notebook. While this button is to exit a program. This is where to initialize an empty list. If the user chooses Add Notebook, the user is prompted to input the name of the owner. The user can input as much as he or she wants. The Check Notebook button then checks the notebook at the top of the stack or at the end of the list and pops it. This means that the notebook is already checked and is out of the stack. The Pick at Notebook lets the user see the owner of the notebook at the top of the stack. On the other hand, the Check All checks all the notebooks in the stack and empties the list. The user can also choose the Quit button to exit the program. Now, we will show you the runtime of the program. In this program, you will see the process of stacks, which is last in, first out. That's all for the stack. And now let's move on to the next program. Queue. This is the program for linked list implementation of queues using graphical user interface with the help of Tkinter module. Here in the main function of the program are the buttons or the menus the user can choose from. So this button is to sign up for the consultation. This button is to enter room. This button is to begin consultation, while this button is for the closing time. This button will exit the program. If the user chooses sign up, the user is prompted to input the name and the concern of the patient. The user can input as much as he or she wants. The name and concern of the patient is then added to the queue using linked list. The Enter Room button lets the user see the first patient in the queue. If the user chooses the Begin Consultation button, the first patient, the name, and his or her concern is displayed and is deleted from the queue using linked list implementation by setting the node next to the head of the linked list as the head node. The Closing Time button then checks if there are any patients left and empties the queue. The user can also choose the Quit button to exit the program. Now, we will show you the running of the program, and this will be the result. In this program, you will see the process of first in, first out in queues. And that's all for the queues. And that's all. Thank you for watching this video.